Imagine creating content so professional, so engaging, that it grabs attention instantly and earns you money while you sleep. That's what this little device can do for you. Hey creators, welcome back to the channel, where we turn passion into income. If you're serious about streaming, content creation, or just want to take your video quality to the next level, this is a game changer. The OBSBOT Tail Air AI-powered 4K streaming camera. Let's be honest. Poor video quality, awkward camera angles, and zero flexibility kill your creativity and your audience growth. If your content doesn't stand out, you're leaving money on the table. This little powerhouse fixes all that. With AI auto-tracking, it follows you perfectly, whether you're recording a workout, a cooking tutorial, or a live stream. No cameraman needed. That's more time for creativity and less stress about technical stuff. Now here's the real deal. High-quality content equals higher engagement. Higher engagement means brand deals, sponsorships, and yes, monetization. This isn't just a camera, it's an investment in your personal brand. You're not spending money, you're building an asset that works for you. Honestly, when I switched to this camera, everything changed. My streams looked cinematic, my audience grew, and brands started reaching out. It's like having your own professional crew in one sleek device. So if you're ready to level up your content, save hours of editing, and turn your passion into profit, the OBSBOT Tail Air is your best move. I'll drop the link below. Grab it before it's gone. Trust me, this is the smartest investment you'll make this year. And hey, if you found this helpful, hit that like, subscribe, and bell icon, because I've got more creator hacks coming your way. See you in the next one.